Hello everyone, welcome back to Freshers Now YouTube channel. Today's video is about Crisil Recruitment 2023. If you want to read about the details on your own regarding this hiring position, link has been given in the description. You can go through it. Alternatively, you can go to the Google and type Crisil Recruitment 2023 Freshers Now and click on search. You can see that our website link will be pop up on the first in results. You can head over to our website and get all the details at one place. Now let us look into the details. The Crisil is hiring for research analyst and the job location is Delhi. Skills required for this job is presentation skills with proficiency in MS PowerPoint data representation. The candidate should proficient in MS Excel or spreadsheets, number crunching, data analysis skills. The candidate should have a good grasp of financial reporting and analysis. The candidate should work with colleges towards achievement of individual and team level goals. The candidate should be capable of handling multiple time-sensitive recruitments with high quality within committed timelines and with zero errors. Let's see the job responsibilities. The candidate should work on ad hoc tasks involving use of Excel or databases relating to financial and non-financial information relating to road assets, corporates, business entities, industry performance, etc. The candidate should support the team in handling MIS and other data allocation requirements. The candidate should be able to present performance details of info asset. The candidate should be able to understand external traffic consultant or expert report. The candidate should be able to analyze and understand financial performance of asset. The candidate should be able to assist the team of analyzing past and projected performance, regulatory, environment, industry dynamics, and other relevant factors including macroeconomic factors. The candidate should collect and present data and information for discussion meetings. The candidate should prepare roadshow presentation for investors. The work timings for job role is 6 days working week. Educational qualification required for this post is MBA or post-graduation related to business administration or CA. The candidates who are willing to apply for the Crisil off-campus recruitment, the link has been provided in the description. You can apply through it. If you have any queries, comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.